Hello guys. Ito bola ko binilin ni mama o kaya kay dada. I mean daddy. This is my mom. Cause we're going to a wedding. We need this stuff because we need to get dressed up. I want to play this thing because I didn't try him. I'm putting my bone into a basket.
Oh, dito, sister.